Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect the eufy S2 with the eufy app for your initial setup and walkthrough. If you're interested in the S2, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's start at the beginning. We have the eufy app pulled up right now. It's available for free for iOS and Android devices. Sign in or create your account. Once you do, you'll be at this screen where you can view different tabs of your favorites: security, clean, and lights. We want to go to the top right-hand corner, hit that plus icon. Then we have the option to add a device or scan a QR code, and we can even scan the QR code directly on the device itself from the station. It'll show up right here at the top, which is nice. So you got a code to scan right there. Or again, we can add it, up to you. In my case, I'm just going to choose add the device so you can see the manual option if you can't find the coder for whatever reason. We want to choose from the device family list the Robot Vacuum S series, and we want to select the S2 right there. Now we got to make sure it's powered on. That's holding down the play button right there. Select next. Now we got to reset the device by holding down both buttons for a couple of seconds. We'll hear a voice prompt.
Wi-Fi has been reset. Follow the instructions in the app to connect to the network.
So now we can go ahead, check that box, select next. Now it's going to connect to our device. It found it right there. So select connect and we wait. So here we go. It was super quick. Pulled up the Wi-Fi right away. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. This will only work with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So connect to your network, enter your password, then select next. Wi-Fi connection successful. Now the app's flying through. There we go. We got the check mark. It's ready to go. And now the vacuum has been added. You might have a firmware update in between. No big deal. You can do that at this step. Highly recommend, and then leave that on auto update so you get the latest and greatest experience possible. But here we go. Our vacuum's been added, so we can just select it to go in. And here's a look at it. It's time for us to now make our first map. But that's it, guys. That's how you get everything all set up and ready to go initially using the eufy app, connecting it to the S2. It's simple and straightforward. Manually add your device or scan a code, enter your Wi-Fi information, let it update if need be, and then you're all set and ready to go to start creating your map and using the S2.